Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a soft blur effect on CapCut PC. Select your image or video and just put it on the track. I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit. And then I will just go to effects and I'm going to go to basic and I'm just going to add in the blur effect to the image like so. Then I'm going to go to filters to select black and white and I'm just going to choose black and white 2 or black and white 3. And I am just going to I'm just going to leave it at 50 and I'm going to export that. Once you're done, you are going to, you can do it without exporting, sorry. You're just going to copy and paste this twice and select these and right click and select create compound clip and add it on top instead of exporting it. And then you can just go to blend mode and adjust the opacity to about 50 to 60% and you have this cute soft blur effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!